Hi, this is Yashwant explaining the working of zcut 9GR. zcut 9GR has these four features, as you can see: feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4. Let me walk you through one of the features here. Feature 1 has 6 different sets of programs. As you can see, so this is program number A and it is set for 30 mm. So similarly, B, C, D, E and F. So again back to A. You can edit the length by using the plus or minus button. So plus increases and minus decreases. So I have set program number A for 30 mm length. So this has auto or manual option. So as you can see here, so if the auto LED is glowing, that means it's auto. If it is off, it is manual. And this is forward and reverse direction for loading and unloading the tape. And this is start button to start the cycle. So packing tape is already been there in the machine. So how to use it? We'll initially press the start button. So in manual mode, you'll have to always press the start button to use the cutting of tape. So if you want to use the different length, you can go with select. If you press select, it's going to go to the next program, that's B. You can use the cutting. Similarly, you can press the select button to go to C option, D, E and F. Again back to you. So that was about feature 1. 6 different set of length can be taken. Feature 2 is multiple tape dispensing. So the way to use this option is you have to press select button for 2-3 seconds. It is going to ask you L con. So if you press plus, it's going to show you 1. So assume that let us dispense 2 multiple tapes in a single shot. So I'll press start button. So as you can see, so it dispense twice. So higher the number of L, that will give you multiple tapes. As you can see, now I kept L as 3. So 3 layers of tapes is going to come, exactly the same length. So that was about feature 2, multiple tape dispensing. And third feature is cycle count. So to go to that feature, long press select, again long press select. So it's going to go L con again. If you press select, it will ask P. So P is for cycle count. So right now let us keep 3 as a cycle count. So as you can see, the indicator turned 2 from 3. So after 3 cycles, it's going to give you an alarm and it's going to get reset automatically. You can also do it with auto mode. So this is going to dispense one after other. Soon you cut the tape. So I'm cutting the tape here. So it's going to dispense automatically. So soon after the cycle complete, it's going to give you an buzzer. So this was about cycle count. So the last feature is tape incremental. So what tape incremental is? So we'll go back to the program menu. So A is 30. So this tape incremental can be used by long pressing auto button. As you can see, a full stop is indicated here. So this means after each cycle it is going to be incremented to program B. That is, right now it's 30 mm. So I'll use the auto mode. So A is 30, it is going to jump to B. So I'm going to cut it. So C is 50. So D is 60. E is 70. And this is the last option, sixth one. So once after completion, it's going to jump back to A. So kind of this, you can have 6 different lengths